Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Marlon. Today's video, well, good morning. Good morning, World Wide Web. Good morning, people. I don't know where you guys are in the world. Actually, it's afternoon, guys. I'm looking at my clock. It's actually 12:29 p.m. I thought it was early. It's snowing here, guys, on the East Coast. It's snow all over the place, right? And I actually slept a lot longer than I probably should have. And anyway, in today's video, guys, what I want to talk about is the Screencast-O-Matic, right? I want to do a tutorial on the Screencast-O-Matic. You guys know it's this software you guys can record, edit videos on your computer screen. And so I want to talk about that because now is a great time to start recording and uploading your own videos to YouTube. And you can also upload videos to Vimeo, and there are countless other places, places you can upload your videos across the World Wide Web, and which is something that I'm going to start doing. I basically just upload my videos to YouTube, but now I've actually got a Vimeo account, and we'll talk about that a little bit later. But you guys know you can upload your videos to YouTube and Facebook, and so I want to talk about the Screencast-O-Matic software. Now, I know a lot of people. A lot of you guys are probably still sitting on the fence, probably a little apprehensive because you don't think you know what to say. You don't feel like you have anything to say, right? But you start doing this, and it will become one of those. You guys, you oftentimes hear me talking about those SOPs. This will soon become one of those standard operational procedures that you won't. It won't be like work for you guys. You just want to do it. I don't even plan on doing videos sometime, but I can't help myself. So I'll just go on and shoot a video. And I always try to shoot videos to solve problems, to answer questions, because that's part of what, in my mind, that's part of what my email marketing business is all about, right? Solving problems, right? Making connections. And so I do that by uh, recording and uploading videos to YouTube. It's a free, you can get this recorder actually absolutely free, guys. There are some upgrades which you'll find out about once you create your account, but you can actually start this for free. And the only reason you would want to upgrade, and at some point in time you might want to, is because you can record longer videos, and there are some other options inside that that'll be available to you just in terms of editing and things like that. So I'm actually inside of the software, and when you guys set up your free account, which I'll leave a link for in the YouTube video description area, you'll have all the tabs you see up here. You got all these tabs at the top. For developers, you got the features, you got the plans that I talked about in terms of upgrading. You have a blog, you have a tutorials, and of course you have support over here. So let me just jump in here and show you what you'll be able to access as soon as you set up your free account with Screencast-O-Matic. Uh, they're going to talk about a recorder and video editor intros over here, right? Video editing over here. I don't know what this is, right? Featured videos. The point is, you guys can go through here, uploading, saving on video, saving the video, record. This is what I'm going to be working on, right? I'm gonna start doing my own Zoom soon, guys. But you got everything inside it. You can see the tutorials that you have access to. So you guys, at your leisure and when you have the time, you can get back here and see all of the tutorials on all the features of the things you're going to be able to do. Okay, I'm gonna pop over here real quick because the Screencast-O-Matic also has a blog, right? And so here's some of the bullet points, right? You can do with the green screen thing. I've never done a lot of this stuff, so it's so much you can do, guys, that is something that you want to incorporate into your marketing, right? And whether you're an email marketer or just an affiliate marketer, or whatever, right? This is some great software. A lot of people use this. Most of the people that I know, who I see doing videos, they're using this type of software, guys. But the point is, you can find this type of Screencast-O-Matic is not the only um, software that you get to do this, but I'm just showing you guys that so you'll understand it. Now, what I want to show you guys is for all you guys, who don't want to be on the actual screen, right? You don't want to. So the option you have when you don't want to do this, let's see, can I get in here on my videos real quick? I'm going to show you guys what you can do when you don't want to actually be on the screen. I think I got my camera up. Okay, yeah, I got it up, right? So, okay, let me move this up just a little bit, guys, so you guys can see. Okay, so, okay, guys, check this out. All the videos that you record on this software, there it will automatically house them inside of the software. Okay, and if I scroll down, you guys can see videos that you know how many videos I upload a lot of videos, guys. So you will have the recordings back here. You can go in at any point in time. At some point in time, you want to have them edited. You'll be able to access them back here. Now, I told you guys the very first thing you want to do, right? Before you record and upload a video, is you want to determine the subject matter, right? What it is you're going to be talking about in the video, so that you can record the video and save it to a file, right? Save it to a file inside of Screencast-O-Matic, because once you save it to a file inside of Screencast-O-Matic, then you will be able to upload it to YouTube, and it'll be saved as that file. And based on the keywords that you went out and built your video or recorded your video around, it's going to help in the search engines, right? So I'm hoping that I get through this video, because I'm going to show you guys that when you go to record, right, the recorder, okay, it said it's recording, but I don't, yeah, it's recording, right? So I'm recording I'm actually recording this right now, right? I wanted to show you guys something that I cannot show. Let me see, can I stop this? Okay, guys, I'm going to pause it, and I'm going to come back to the screen for a second. Okay, guys, I'm going to use this recording right here. I'm going to click this recording, and I'm going to use this recording to show you guys what I'm talking about. So last night, I recorded a video, and on that video, right, I called it, I was shouting out KM Inspires, right? Keith Mack. I was talking about his new book, and hopefully you guys got a chance to go over and check that book out, by the way. I'll leave the link in the YouTube video description there for that as well. I should be picking that book up today. It's actually at the Amazon store right down the street from me. So I did a video on that, right? And so after I recorded that video, guys, so you see over here where it says save as a video file, I'm going to click that. Once you do that, guys, you see where it says file name? Okay, let me back out of here, because that's what I named the file. But if I backed all the way up, right, inside of here, I'm saving it as an MP4 file, but I could save it as, I'm going to say Keith Mack's book review. Okay, you see that? I put Keith Mack book review. Now, guys, if you're uploading a video on how to make money from home, working from your kitchen table, or how to make money from home fast, then name the file whatever you did the keyword research on, and whatever, you know what I mean? That way, when you go to publish it, right, now you guys can see that it's actually going to publish it based on what you named the file, right? I'm going to stop it, but I want you guys to understand that. And that's going to help in the search, when you upload this video to YouTube. I'm going to stop it. Understand that. So now you guys can't see me, right? But I'm on the other side of my camera. The very first thing I did when I started doing videos, and I decided I wanted to use video marketing to help build my business, as I went out and got a little Logitech webcam, and I just mounted it right on the top of my computer. And that was the only thing I did. I didn't know anything about Screencast. I didn't know anything about this. And then, of course, I wanted to do videos, and I wanted to record my screen. And so the Screencast-O-Matic gave me the ability to do that. But not only that, I'm also able to, now you can always go back to recordings here. I'm also able to, if I wanted to be in this frame on YouTube, you guys have seen me do videos like that. there's a feature when you open the recorder up that will allow you to record the screen, like you see me recording right now. You can record yourself, right? And I could be in the frame, full frame picture, right? I used to do that with the Logitech webcam, but I can do it with Screencast as well. Or you can do both. You can record the screen with a little picture of yourself, and you guys have seen people do it like this over here. Let me move this down. Right? While I'm recording, I can also have my picture. You guys see over here on the right where I am? You can just do the screen right here. This is when you open up the actual recorder. You can just do the webcam where it's just you on the actual screen, or you can do both, right? So what you're able to do with this simple piece of software is amazing in terms of recording your own videos, saving your videos as a file inside of the Screencast-O-Matic software. Then, and of course, remember, when you're saving it as a file, do the keyword research first on your video. I used to just do the videos without saving it as a file. But that file, when it's saved as a file and you upload it to YouTube based on the keywords, the search will see those keywords inside of the video on YouTube, and that's going to help it get more organic search, right? Because I guess the YouTube, however the algorithm works, is going through, is looking for the keywords, right? That's why you want to get into the habit of doing keyword research and uploading your videos based on that keyword research. Now, I can tell you guys, there are a lot of other cool things that I'm learning in terms of search engine optimization when it comes to YouTube videos. You guys will learn a lot more about that if you picked up the Oru Marketplace training, for instance. All the training, guys, that you can pick up with anything that you join me in is going to go deeper in detail about this type of thing. But I'm just talking for you guys who just, you just want to get out here, start doing your own videos, and you want to know how simple and easy it can be to actually record the video, upload the video to YouTube. Before you upload it to YouTube, make sure you do a little keyword research, save it as a file, and then upload that video to YouTube. And you guys saw how simple that was. Let me just show you this one more time. I'm going to click on the Oru Marketplace video, which I did a few days ago. I did a video on this. And again, if I wanted to save it, the video has been, there is the keywords, right? These were the keywords right now. So let's say I want to save it as a file. We're starting from scratch, right? Save as file. So I would have done my keyword research before I did this, right? So let's call it the new Oru Marketplace Review 2019, right? And then I would say publish. And you can see this is what YouTube is going to see. This is what the search engine is going to see when I upload it. Now I'm simply saving it. I'm publishing it to a video file, MP4. But once it's all uploaded, right, then you turn around. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Once it's all uploaded, you turn around and you come down here and you publish. Well, that's not how you, I don't want to publish it to a video file again. Once this process is done, guys, when it's all done, this is going to come back up and you're going to be able to publish it to YouTube, right? You're going to be able to, I don't want to do it as a video file anymore. You'll be able to do it to YouTube or Vimeo. And let me back up a little bit. And those buttons will actually appear. Let me see, can I do it right here? Let's show you what I'm talking about. Okay, see right here, guys? Once it's all said and done, you can upload it to YouTube. And because I have a Vimeo account, I can upload it to Vimeo as well, right? And once you have those videos on YouTube or Vimeo or YouTube, you can actually upload them to Facebook and countless other video places that you can upload videos on the World Wide Web. Anyway, so I think you guys get where I'm going, right? I'm going to leave the link for the Screencast-O-Matic. I just wanted to run through this real quick. I think that pretty much covers everything, guys, because really you got to get in here and start playing around with the actual software. But once you do, you'll find that it's very simple and easy to do, guys. So for all my aspiring video marketers, guys, go on, get the you know, if it's just a free version that you get a Screencast-O-Matic, get it. Because you get in here, you start playing around with it. You learn how to do a lot of cool stuff in terms of uploading your own videos to YouTube, right? Or wherever you want to upload them. And it's a great way. Again, you don't have to be on the frame. You can be on the other side. And then you guys can start talking about your products, right? Start talking about your services, right? Start creating content, right, and solving problems, okay, because that's the way that we're going to build and grow and ultimately scale our businesses, okay. Anyway, guys, this snowy day, right, the snow's still coming down. I gotta go shovel some snow. I appreciate you guys being on the video, okay. Thanks so very much. I'll see you guys on the next video, okay. As always, this is your boy Marlon Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the next video.